Hey, my name is Emeka Ozor, Facebook Ads Expert here, and I want to recommend a sales coach, Joseph Don. Yes, Mr. Joseph Don is an amazing sales coach, very, very amazing. I've been in several of his training, WhatsApp, 100K challenge, and I will tell you that my understanding of sales and my sales tactic, my sales strategy has improved tremendously. I usually struggle with sales, but now I do have, I just find it easier to, especially when it comes to sales closing, I find it easier to convince customers the value of what I have to offer. So anytime, any day, if you need a sales coach that will teach you sales, then Joseph Don is the person, as in he's the right person.